Om Gururam Namaste. Good morning, all of you, my dear 5th class students. Today discuss about parameters of these shapes. Okay. Today discuss about perimeter of the given shapes. So from your activity book, page number 42, second bit. Page number 42, second bit. See here, this is the given figure or given shape. See, this is the given shape and also given their sides. See here, this is side AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FG, GH, HA. See beta, here AB is equals to 2 centimeter, BC is equals to 8 centimeter, CD is equals to 11 centimeter, DE is equals to 5 centimeters. EF is equals to, there is no centimeters. Means here BC is parallel to ED. Okay? BC is parallel to ED. Okay? Now here EF, there is no length of the side. See here. So this is CD. CD is parallel to EF. Then EF, we can draw this like only. See here, this line CD is parallel to I. Then CD is parallel to EI. CD is equals to 11 centimeter and also this EI. So I have to take two parts, two line segments, that is EF and FI. See beta, here this is GH. GH is equals to 5 centimeter plus this is AB. AB is equals to 2 centimeter. Now, so you can draw this like only. So means here 2 centimeter automatically, this is also 2 centimeter. So now you can write 5 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. You can get 7 centimeter. Then you can find out EF. So EF is equals to 11 centimeter minus 7 centimeter. So you can get 4 centimeter. Write down everybody. So here 4 centimeter. Did you understand? Now you can find out perimeter of the given figure. Write down here perimeter of the given shape, that is equals to sum of the sides. Sum of the sides, that is equals to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HA. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now write down. So the length of the side of AB 2 centimeter plus BC is equals to 8 centimeter plus CD is equals to 11 centimeter plus DE is equals to 5 centimeter plus EF is equals to 4 centimeter, FG is equals to 2 centimeter plus GH is equals to 5 centimeter plus HA is equals to 5 centimeter beta. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, right. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 11, 21. 21 plus 5, 26. 26 plus 4, 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 32 plus 5, 37. 37 plus 5. 37 plus 5, that is equals to 42. 42 centimeters. Write down everybody. Now next one is see, write down beta. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. See here, this is 2 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. Now this is 6 centimeter BC. This is 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Here DE is parallel to GF. Then this is also 3 centimeter beta. Next, this is 7 centimeter. That is EF. Side EF is equals to 7 centimeter. See, this is also, GH is also 3 centimeter because CD is equals to GH. Okay. See, this is 4 centimeter. So ij 5 centimeter better. So you can find out the side of AB, the length of the side of AB. See here, now this is 5 centimeter. Now this is 1 centimeter better. Listen. See, this is also 1 centimeter. 5 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, you can get 6 centimeter. Then AB is equals to 6 centimeters. Once again, see here, ij 5 centimeter, and so this is the breadth of this rectangle. Now it is 1 centimeter. So this is parallel to this part. Now here 5 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, you can get 6 centimeter. That is the length of the side of AB. Now write down perimeter of the given shape. That is equals to sum of the sides. Sum of the sides. See, write down sum of the sides. AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH next HI plus IJ plus JA. See how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then substitute the values. AB is equals to 6 centimeter plus BC is equals to 6 centimeter plus CD is equals to 3 centimeter plus DE is equals to 3 centimeter plus EF is equals to 7 centimeter plus FG is equals to 3 centimeter plus GH is equals to 3 centimeter plus GH is equals to 3 centimeter. Next HI is equals to 4 centimeter plus IJ is equals to 5 centimeter plus JA is equals to 2 centimeter beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 sides. That is equals to, so we can add all the sides. 6 plus 6, so 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 7, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. 28 plus 3, 31. 31 plus 4, 35. 35 plus 5, 40. 40 plus 2, 42. 42 centimeters. Write down everybody. Now next one. See here, third bit. The perimeter of the square is twice the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the square is twice the perimeter of the triangle. What is the length of the side of the square? See here, this is the triangle. Now A, B, C. 9 inches. IN means inches. 10 inches. This is 11 inches. IN. Now you can find out first the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle ABC, that is equals to sum of the sides. Sum of the sides. Sum of the sides means side AB plus BC plus CA. You can write AB is equals to 11 inches plus BC is equals to 10 inches plus CA is equals to 9 inches. 11 plus 10 plus 9. See here, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 taking, 1 carrying, 1, 2, 3, 30 inches. 30 inches. So, here, by the problem, the perimeter of the square is equals to twice the perimeter of the rectangle. Then you can write here, perimeter of the triangle ABC, that is equals to 30 inches. See here, by the problem, perimeter of the square is equals to twice the perimeter of the triangle. Twice the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle. See here, perimeter of the square. Principle 4 into side. Four into side, that is equals to twice the perimeter of the triangle. Twice means 2 times. 2 into 30 inches. See here. Write down everybody, this is. Now 4 into side, that is equals to, so remove the bracket means you can write instead of that into symbol 2 into 30 inches. Then you can write 4 into side is equals to 230 is 60 inches. Now you can find out side. See here, implies side is equals to, what is the relation between 4 into side? So this is the relation between multiplication. So 4 is taking by this side. So it is goes to divided, means 60 by 4. We can cut it. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 2 left. So 4 fives are. So what we get? Therefore side is equals to 15 by 1. You can get 15 inches. So length of the sides of a square is equals to 15 inches. Right up. Hey, 10th class. ఏం కావాలి? అంజల మేడం, సపరేట్ ఎప్పుడైతే మన అల్లరి ఉంది మొత్తం అల్లరి పడుతుంది. వాయిస్ కలిసి ఇక్కడ కూర్చోబెట్టుకోవచ్చు. Now next beta, page number 43. See, find the perimeter of the following figures. Find the first one, see beta. See here, I am writing this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is 5 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. Side D. So this is 6 centimeter. Side EF. This is 1 centimeter. FG. This is 3 centimeter. GH. See here, BC is equals to 6 centimeter. Okay. So you can find out the length of the side of HCA. See here, BC is parallel to HCA or AH. See, this is See here, this is 6 centimeter. So DE is parallel to AB. DE, that is equals to 2 centimeter, and also FG is also parallel to BC. Then you can write here 1 centimeter. See, this is total what? 6 centimeter. 2 plus 1, 3 centimeter. 6 minus 3, you can get this is 3 centimeter better. Did you understand? See here. This is produce the line. It's like only. Okay. See, this is parallel to this line. Also, this is also parallel. Now here, BC is equals to 6 centimeters. This is DE. Side DE is equals to 2 centimeter, and you can produce this line and this line. Now here, this is 1 centimeter automatically, this is also 1 centimeter. So 2 plus 1, 3 centimeters. Now you can find out remaining line, means this is. Here 2 plus 1, 3 centimeters. Now 6 centimeters minus 3 centimeters, you can get 3 centimeter. Write down here perimeter of the given shape. Given figure or given shape. That is equals to sum of the sides. See here, side AB plus AB BC plus CD plus DE plus DEF plus EFFG GH plus HA. Substitute the values. AB is equals to 5 centimeter. BC is equals to 6 centimeter. CD is equals to 2 centimeter. DE is equals to 2 centimeter. EF is equals to 6 centimeter. FG is equals to 1 centimeter plus GH is equals to 3 centimeter plus HA is equals to 3 centimeter. So how many sides? One counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now add all the sides. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 22 plus 3, 25. 25 plus 3, 28 centimeters. See Nana, today your class is completed. Thank you. Thank you to all.